Majestic Appearance. The King Cobra Ophiophagus hana is the world's longest venomous snake, often reaching lengths of up to 18 feet 5.5 meters. Its sleek olive-green body is adorned with striking yellow bands and a distinctive hood when threatened. Venomous Powerhouse. This serpent is known for its potent neurotoxic venom, capable of taking down large prey like other snakes, lizards, and even small mammals. Fortunately, they are typically shy and avoid humans when possible. Intelligent hunter. King cobras are highly intelligent. They can track their prey's scent, and their keen eyesight aids them in locating potential meals. These serpents are known to strike with lightning speed when they decide to attack. Egg-eating diet. Unlike most other snakes, king cobras are specialized egg eaters. They can devour whole bird eggs, thanks to their highly flexible jaws. Impressive endurance. These snakes possess exceptional stamina and can travel long distances in search of food and mates. They are known for their unique nesting behavior, guarding their eggs until they hatch. Cultural significance. In many parts of Southeast Asia, the king cobra is revered and even considered a symbol of power and protection in some local cultures.